but the brakes, right? Yo, they are so nice. I didn't bleed the brakes ever since I got this, bike, you know what I'm saying? But I just bled it, and it's been like, I got it in August, and I bled it now. It's nice. And when I tell you, bro, dude, brakes are crazy, it's crazy. Insane, bro. What? I always thought the brakes weren't that good on this bike, but my dumb ass didn't bleed them. Oh man. Squid out here in shorts and short sleeves. You know, I kind of am. I just got the gloves and the helmet. I got the Prestos on, some random jeans, polo jacket. I'm looking good. So you see, I ain't gonna die. 202. 202 is at. 203 is at, bro. My shit about to overheat and explode. This light don't turn green. I'm thinking I'm gonna go straight. Look at you, like I'm trying to go to the car wash, clean this thing up, but it don't seem like I'm gonna get there anytime soon. I'm up to that 210. Fuck, I'm turning it off, bro. We're gonna be sitting here for a while. Put my kickstand down. But I feel like I'm gonna be sitting here for a while. I might as well take a damn nap, you feel me? Never mind. Be back in business. You goddamn stop again. Shit. Shit. That shit, oh, come on. Like, this shit not even funny, bro. Like, what the fuck? I feel like I ain't gonna have my shit overheat anymore. Like, my legs, like, on fire right now. Well, of course, every time I'm trying to go. Well, come on. Don't do this to me. God damn. I'm just trying to go. Oh, you talking there. I'll let what this one y'all off your phone. I've been thinking about switching this out for the Vortex gas pack thing. Cause that one looks real clean, you know, look nice. Carbon fiber. This green one looks like kind of weird. I don't know if I like it. Carbon fiber like that. And it's a bit old. You know, it's a bit like wobbly and shit. Yeah. perfect. Yo, no, it better not turn yellow. I'm about to shoot somebody, though. I'm about to really get out and shoot somebody. Like y'all think I'm playing, bro. I'm about to get out and shoot like, damn, this brake pad crazy. Alright, y'all, we back. Shit. Alright. We got down, we trying to, you know what I'm saying. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to clean the bike, you feel me? I couldn't talk for a second. We gonna get it all wet. Oh my god, it smacked my damn helmet. Gonna get it all wet. I'm gonna show y'all how to wash the bike properly. Alright, we're gonna get that beat. Oh, my key is on there. I'm tripping on God. Okay. We're gonna get it all wet. You don't need a pressure washer for a bike, bro. You gonna break them damn fairings off, and you gonna be upset because you're like, damn, I should have listened to Beloved. You feel me? All right, get it all wet. Get it all wet. Put that motherfucker back in. All right, and then you gonna get the dry foam. No, okay, you gonna get foam brush first. Foam brush. With the foam brush, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna. You trying to make some foam, some brother. So this shit malfunction. You ain't making no foam, bro. I did a foam brush, right? Oh, there you go. There, now it's making foam. All right, you gonna put the foam on it like this. Just like tap it, 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 tap, tap, just like that. Shit, just like that. All right, just like that. Just like that, just like that, just like that. I can't breathe. Alright. We're gonna put it back up there. And we're gonna switch it to the tri-foam condition. Now, y'all don't know about this. This shit makes your shit look nice as hell. So you're gonna put this everywhere. And I'm talking about everywhere. That conditioner. Put it everywhere, get it in the sprocket, get it everywhere in the wheels, tires, everywhere. Okay, once you've done that, what you're gonna do is what you're gonna do is I'm gonna put it off for right now. And then you want to quickly wipe it down with your rag on the places you know get the most dirty, which I know is my exhaust. My exhaust gets real dirty, and the reason you want to use a rag is because this is really hot right now. The rag is not letting me feel it. You gotta move them quickly. Get your wheels clean. You know what I'm saying? The wheels. I got 1 minute 59. Alright. The wheels probably clean. The chain. Everything. You want clean everything out real well. Yeah. And wheels. Other side. Clean the wheels. Alright, anywhere you had some residue or oil, whatever it may be, you clean it up with this, the little cloth. Alright, it's gonna really make your shit shine like you ain't never motherfucking seen before. I got 50 seconds.
You have 1 minute to deposit more money.
Alright. Timer's going down. I think that should be all the spots. I think right here as well. I did what you call it? I bled my brakes earlier, so I did get oil everywhere. Not oil, brake fluid.
You have 30 seconds to deposit more money.
Let's do another one.
$1. $1.
Okay. And then we're just gonna do normal rinse.
High pressure rinse.
And if you want, you can add a little bit of trifoam. Actually, this is what I'm gonna do. Cause we wiped it down. Add some more real quick. Just a quick spray down. This is for clean your whole thing off. Bam, bam, bam. And your shit. This shit gonna be sparkling. Spot free rings. Remember to do spot free rings. And then put a little full power. And you're gonna do it from, you can step back a bit. Don't be all up in there. And really clean the bike. Alright. Alright, and damn. Alright, hold on. They want me to deposit more money. Damn, that's it looking clean as hell. Clean as ever. Clean as ever. Before. Alright, we got 30 seconds. What I'm gonna do, oh shit, I'm gonna put $2 more. What the fuck? Yeah, chill, bro. Yo, oh, yo, bro, take my money, bro. There you go. I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. All right. We're gonna go over it one more time. And then make sure everything is cleaned off. All the shit. And then, oh fuck, I got all my mirrors. If your car wash got this, utilize it, please. Cause it's gonna make everything 10 times easier.
$1.
That should get enough. You're gonna use the air dry. Alright. We're gonna dry everything that's on. Don't get too close to it. Yeah. Other than that is how you clean your bike. There you go. That's how you clean your bike, bro.
Thank you for your business.
You're welcome. But that's how you clean your bike. Let me get my brake fluid. I mean, my brake reservoir cover back on because that thing got knocked off. Alright, you want to put it like that. Hold on, what the fuck? We're gonna put it on like that. There we go. Alright. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Straight out. Yep, perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Alright. And then put my cloth on the floor. Get all that nasty shit off. But just because I want to wipe down in here, you know what I'm saying? You know that shit get on the battery. Yep. And then this nasty old cloth, I just throw in my book bag. You feel me? Throw it in the book bag. All it. Got this. And then look how clean. Oh, girl, look it. You look at clean as hell. There you go. There you go. This is the time to get the pictures. You feel me? Woo! Girl, look at it. Clean! This kind of shit. But yeah, y'all get it. Now, I'm going home. Right? I'm going home. And I advise you, when you riding back home, do not do any pulls. Like, just cruise back home, because you know your tires are wet, or you know, whatever. Just don't do no pulls. Take it out. Your brakes are wet, your tires are wet, everything's wet. Oh, 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 baby poppin', baby poppin'. Alright, so yeah, like I said, take it easy. Don't be doing no reckless shit as soon as you get out. You know, let it, you know what I'm saying? Let it, like, let your shit dry. Especially the brakes, that's the main thing. Brakes and tires, you really want them to, if any water or anything got on it, the main thing is you want that to come off, right? Okay, okay. Okay. Look at that dude, he ugly as hell. Anyways, you really want to do is make sure that your crazy pulls. Don't be blowing up your engine with red bombs and all that other crazy shit. I don't know what y'all be doing, but whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.